So hello my brothers, so let's try like in this new Stronghold Crusader video. So well, this is the Sultan in the red body with Burgermaster. So okay, I think like, well, he beat the red easily, but maybe, okay, maybe Sultan he will not beat these low units. But okay, let's try, maybe he will beat the Sultan, maybe, but okay, let's try. So yeah, as I said, it's totally weak units and totally weak castle, but okay, so yeah, okay, it will be interesting to see. Well, this time Sultan, yeah, in the red body with a Burgermaster. Yeah, the fire, the slaves, yeah, they will. Okay. Okay, let's try, why not? Why not to test the things in this game? Okay, so this is some custom map, some people made the custom map, some things to try or something. But it's okay. Okay, so bot have a lot of troops. But yeah, he's like the unit cost is really low. Okay, so bot attack in the same time and swarm and smelted everything in the wave, yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, does he burn? No? He's not burning? They stack. Probably the stockpile is full. I guess the stockpile is full. Oh, did we break the Sultan? Oh, did we break the Sultan because his economy is like... Oh. Okay, well, he even lost the goal, will stop play the game, bro. I don't know if I break somehow Sultan. He break himself. Okay, so they break through. Yeah, okay. Look, okay, so he have a lot of archers he has. So yeah, that's good. He have a tons of archers to use, and this is not bad archers. Well, stronger than the European archers. So this archers is really good and can pressure a lot. But well, he don't have. Maybe if he have like some ninjas instead of slingers, it will be good to have some ninjas. For the example, ninjas for the attack. Okay, yeah, so his woodcutters is still stuck in place. Okay, I guess the Sultan got stuck. Yeah, he only selling. He only like spending the gold and nothing he's selling. Maybe a lot of starting goods because I added more woods and more stone for start.
Eine Botschaft, Herr. Ich füge mich meinem Schicksal.
No, he will defend this, bro. Oops. Yeah, he will defend this easily. Aha, when I press the enter, I got this. Okay, cool. Oh yeah, okay, so it's the bot enter work. But you can't like enter and again and enter to close this. This needs to be somehow added. And this thing you can't like close there. As yeah, here I can escape, but it will pause the game. Okay, yeah, so we break the Sultan. Or not. Okay, he's selling the gold. What? Oh. Yeah, okay. Ooh. Bro, he has some fire. What? Sultan has some fire there, bro. What? Lol. Yo, slingers breaking the walls, bro. Yo, with the little knife. What they have? Like some, yeah, some knife. Yeah, bro. Bro. Yo. Okay. Yeah, but yes, Sultan don't. Yeah, he's not like selling any of uh this food, the barrels, iron, wheat. Yeah, his economy is like some wood and some stone. Okay, but he still managed to get some gold, but his stockpile is not working, like moving at all, so... Okay, I don't know. I don't know really. Maybe, yeah, I added this a little bit more of... A little bit more of stone and... stone, wood and... I added the wheat because when you don't get any wheat at all for some reason, but everyone is using like bread for production. I like 20 or 13 meat, so yeah, the wheat, yeah, so why not? Okay, cool. Okay, so Burger Master, the hamburger, the burger will attack. Okay, open castle. He had, but yo, bro, the swordman's will melting everything in the way, bro. Look at this. Yo, the wow. Okay, he have popularity, but where is his food thing? Yeah, I added some meat too to have, because meat is only obtained by these deers there, but I just added some meat to have. Okay, so if the Sultan have tons of gold, well, he will attack the burger, but yeah, no, he can. And he have some slaves too, lol. Okay, he has some slaves. I don't know like how his stockpile don't move at all. He gets some gold, but the stockpile doesn't moving at all, or spending or add the something. Oof. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so another attack for the Burger Master. The burger. Okay, so they will again like enter in the castle, yeah? The fire. Lol, look at the suicide line of the units. Yo. Lol. Oh, yeah. Okay, but he's recruiting units, but slowly, but really slow, really slow. But bro, he will like defend the attack. Maybe not. Ooh, okay, so it will be good for Sultan to attack the burger, but... Oof. Yeah, he's really fast recruiting the units. Units is really cheap. Only 5 are slaves and 12 are slingers. Well, the archers cost a bit more, but 17, but... okay, it's okay. It's... He can afford it. Yeah, but the Sultanate, he have this, but it's empty, yeah. Well, well, probably he have some, yeah, he have, probably the classic boss. Well, it's not like Sultan not playing the game, he's, well, recruiting gold and selling things, but it's not like the see on the screen how he managed to get the gold. The only thing. But okay. Okay, maybe the Sultan will surprise some attack and beat the Burger. But what units the Burger have? It's just triple more than Sultan. But oh, okay, let's see this. Ooh. Okay, so they will again like enter in the open castle and Swarmans will defend the attack. Yeah. This one. Look at this! You hold the line of soldiers that's just dying in the... Okay, they kill some... Oh, they killed some the Swordsmen. Okay, but the problem... The Swordsmen are really low of health. They lost health. Well, Sultan standing more than the red. So red, he will done like in 5 minutes, bro. So. But okay, so interesting to see the low AI in the game. Okay, and he have like the full Burger Master have full inventory too. Stockpile, pardon, the stockpile. I don't know his economy, how his economy works. And full iron too. Probably some stone. Okay, I don't know how his economy work. But they like still standing and the trees just grow up again in the map. Because no one cutting the trees. Yo, look at this, bro. Okay, interesting. Yo, tons of wood cutters. Look at this stack just waiting for the open. The stockpile is full, my lord. Oh yeah, so the... Yeah, Saladin don't attack at all. He's not attacking at all. Ah. Yeah, he will attack when he recruit like 100 more soldiers, maybe he will attack. But no, he's only defending. So I don't know the... And yeah, he repaired the walls. Okay, the stockpile like is no like working. What? Look, he's spending the wood. And he... Wow, no, but it will burn. Wow. Okay, they break through, but nothing, yeah. Ha! La! Yo, okay, so another waiting for for Burger to recruit the troops. Yeah. Okay, so will the Sultan economy work now or... Okay, so he has some space in the stockpile. Okay, some bows in the... And he's selling the bows, like... Yeah, and he has some... Yeah, oh, okay, yes, lovely, but... But yeah, constantly... Slaves to burn the economies, yeah. Yeah, constantly, oh... Okay, so well, back in the game, but constantly burning the economy and yeah, with slaves and wow, yeah. He can full burn, bro. Oh yeah, oh, yo, lol, what did I say just, bro? Almost. Oh, this is low of HP. Yeah. Well, yeah, tons of spam with this, so yeah. Really weak units, but with a lot of them, it's total spam settings, yeah. But okay, he's holding more than the red. Okay, so yeah, another attack from the burger. Oh, look at these units. Yo, they teleporting like sloving. Yeah, because of lol. Okay, so they break again through the. Oh, okay. Yo. Yo. Okay, let's hear the victory. Yeah. Yeah, bro, yeah, look at these spam units. How much units he had and killed. Yo. Okay, so yeah, okay, well, the long video because. Okay, so he beat the Sultan. Okay, maybe he will not beat if the Sultan. If I give them a. Okay, I don't know really. If the Sultan like beg or something. But okay, interesting match. So my brothers, thanks for watching it. See you next time.